Hello there, and welcome to episode 89 of The Daily Shed. Today I'm going to be talking about the major pentatonic scale. And for most people, the minor pentatonic scale is what you learn. That's very often used in blues, very easy to apply to that. And the major scale, the major pentatonic scale, I find, gets a little bit less attention, but it's a really cool scale. And even just as a finger exercise to kind of break out of just knowing the normal major scale pattern, it's nice. It involves just a little bit more string skipping, less notes per string, of course. Most of the strings, it's just two notes per string, or one note per string. So again, it's just a finger exercise. It's cool, and it has a nice, distinctive sound. Basically, it's a major scale that doesn't have the fourth or the seventh in it, and it makes it just a very kind of happy sound. I think I'll play it in A for you. That's just the one octave version is. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and the octave. Okay? And going all the way across. 1, 2, 3, 6, or 5, 6, and the octave, then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 octave. So it's a pretty unique sound, I think. It's used a lot in country, for sure, and a lot of folk music too, because the 4 and the 7 are the notes that really give tension. If you play that note over your root, you really want it to resolve. Whereas this, the major pentatonic scale, every note just really fits in very naturally without almost any tension at all. So it's a cool thing to be able to throw in there. Once again, and I'm playing an A again. It's a good thing to have under your fingers, and again, play with the metronome and get your fingers used to jumping around just a bit quicker with fewer notes per string as opposed to the regular major scale. I'll be talking more in the future about using this in soloing, but for now, if you just learn that scale, this 2-octave pattern, it'll be a good thing to have for you. So I hope this is useful to you. As always, please let me know any comments or questions, and thank you for watching.